Hello all, my name is Jeremy. I'm an account manager here at LCP360. LCP360 is one of Google's largest service providers for Google Maps Business View, which is in essence Google Street View indoors. Um, we also create a variety of other digital marketing products, custom virtual tours, interactive campus maps, and I'm going to be doing a short presentation of Google Maps Business View and some of our other products for colleges and universities. So where I'm going to start is a Google Plus local page. Reason being is this is where the Google Maps Business View tour is going to live. Um, the Google Plus page is in essence the modern day yellow page. Really allocates all your information, shows the name of your business, address, phone number, hours of operation, and really gives users the ability to review you as well. Um, so three things you're going to want to do to make sure your page is optimized and coming up to the top of results is number one, correct and accurate information. Google's algorithm is going to do a cross-reference against your website to make sure everything's correct and up to date. Number two is reviews. So you really want to have over 5 reviews. Once you get over 5, you're actually going to get a rating. So this rating wouldn't be here if they didn't have 8 reviews and they had under 5. And then 3 is where we come into play. So we add in still photography and the Google Business View Tour. And when we upload that, Google's algorithm actually registers a data dump, and it's going to help you guys in terms of rankings. Reason being is Google's algorithm tries to grab the most legitimate source of information. So the more data you have on this Google Plus local page, the more likely you're going to get driven to the top of results. And this wouldn't be as impressive if it was just showing up here. But now if I run a search for Cayuga's Fulton campus, it's showing up right on web results on the right-hand side in the knowledge graph. Same is true as if you're running a search for directions, and the same is true for mobile searches as well. And now if I click See Inside, you'll notice where the tour starts is 10 feet outside the main entrance. So there's a thing called a 10-4-4 rule. We actually shoot 10 feet outside the main entrance. That's your new map marker location. 4 feet outside and then 4 feet inside. And then from there, that's where the tour starts. And you're probably wondering how we get the shots inside the building. Of course, we can't drive the Google car in, so we send in a Google certified photographer who takes sets of 12 panoramic images at each panoramic rotation, or scene as we like to call it, to create that interactive sphere. It's a fairly simple process. A photographer comes in. Process takes anywhere from an hour to a full day, really depending on how much you're looking to shoot and how much you're looking to showcase. And if you notice, it's a fluid walkthrough. It has to be a walkable path of travel. So let's say we want to get to that library over there. We can't just jump right in there. We actually have to have a walkable path of travel going there. In terms of accessibility, same as Google Street View, you could use your keypad, mouse to kind of scroll around, up, down, left, and right. And if you notice, you have this numerical scale on the side here. If you click level 2, you're actually going to get ported to the second floor. And I'm sure you guys have all seen an embedded Google map on a website. You could actually take these tours and embed them using the same process. And again, this isn't a static image. Same concept here, running right off their website. And a neat thing they did here is break off some of the different departments. So let's see, say you want to see the science lab in the Fulton campus. You click on it and it's going to populate in that window. So as I mentioned, there's really two facets of our business. We provide Google Business View, and then we provide custom products like interactive campus maps. So what you're looking at here is an aerial of Eastern Arizona College, and you might notice some of the buildings are purple, and when you hover over them, they're actually going to change to blue, and the name of the building will populate over it as well. And if you notice, you have this side menu here. So let's say you want to know what building the cafeteria is, and it's going to show you. Bookstores in the same building. There's a classroom in another building. Rec rooms there, tech center, lab. And you could click on the scenes from here. You could also click on them on the campus map level. And if you notice, we don't have to have a fluid walkthrough, so really we just showcase the areas you want showcased here. There's really a variety of ways we can build these interactive campus maps out. So that was an aerial, if you notice here. This is actually a Google Earth map and a hybrid with an existing campus map. And the same concept here, you could use the side menu to scroll over, and it will show you where that scene is. You could also click on them. You might notice this interactive flashing bubble. When you scroll over it, it's going to tell you a little bit about the campus. We could also alternatively add an audio or have both, so I'll read the script to you. This is another concept here. So this is a 3D render. We also render campus maps. And same concept. If you click on one of the buildings, you're going to get ported directly in. In addition to being able to embed these into your website, you could also go embed them into your Facebook. So if you notice, you have a separate tab called 360 Campus Tours. You could call that Google Tours, Custom Tours, and you could embed both the Google and the Custom Tour here. And again, not a static image. It's going to work just like it would outside of Facebook. If you'd like to learn more, you could visit us at LCP360.com. If you'd like a media packet, feel free to give me an email at Jeremy, Jeremy, @LCP360.com. Thanks.